Yo, what's good, fam? Today I'm showing you a door lock that's smarter than half the people I know. No keys, no codes, just your phone. If you still use metal keys in 2025, you're living in the caveman era, my friend. Hit that like button before your door unlocks itself and kicks you outside. The problem? We all have you ever walk up to your door, coffee in one hand, groceries in the other, phone ringing, and you're like, bro, who invented keys? Or you leave the house, walk 2 minutes away, and then your brain goes, did I lock the door? Now you're walking back like a detective checking clues. Smart Lock says, nah, fam, I got you. No more key drama. No more door doubts. How this smart lock works. It unlocks with your phone, your fingerprint, your voice assistant, and it auto-locks when you leave. Fingerprint unlock is crazy fast. You just whoop, you're in. Feels like James Bond. Except, instead of saving the world, you're just entering your messy apartment. Phone app, easy. Tap and boom, unlocked. Great for guests, roommates, Airbnb, or that cousin who borrows something and never leaves. Voice assistant too. You can literally say, Alexa, unlock the door. Now you're royalty. Just broke royalty. Is it safe? Some of y'all thinking, bro, can it be hacked? It uses bank-level encryption. Same tech banks use. So unless someone is planning a Mission Impossible stunt, you're good. Plus it tracks every unlock in the app. If someone opens the door at 3 a.m., you'll know exactly who showed up looking for snacks. Battery Plus, emergency battery, lasts 4 to 12 months. If it dies, you're not locked out like an idiot. It has an emergency key and a USB power plug to jumpstart the lock. Yes, you literally charge your door like an iPhone. Welcome to the future. Who should buy it? If you lose keys, this is for you. If you share a home, this is for you. If you run Airbnb, this is for you. If you just want to flex on neighbors still jingling keys, this is definitely for you. Imagine unlocking your door while driving into the driveway. That's villain energy. Outro. So yeah, no more keys, no more panic. Just your door acting like it came from the future. If your lock still uses keys in 2025, bro, upgrade your life. Smash that like button, subscribe, and comment. Should I review smart doorbells next? Or gadgets that spy on your neighbors better than your aunt? Peace out.